How you doing, people? Random here. So we have three Ords Corps DA U.S. government basically locks for guns and ammo. Probably from Eagle Lock Company, shut down in like 1970 or something. So we know that they're from before that. Beautiful patina, steel shackle, brass body, non-rekeyable. And unfortunately, we cannot just look up that number and make a key because, as before, they're out of business. But let's pop this one. This one's really cool because it actually has the eagle written on the front of it, where these ones just say Ords Corps and then Eagle Lock Company, Terryville. One of these, I'm not going to keep all three of them. One of them, I got somebody that wants one of them, and I'm probably going to ship one of them out to one of the guys that enjoys old locks. Or brass, which is pretty much everybody, because who doesn't like brass locks? So let's pop this one. Nothing. Oh, there's a good click. Nice solid click on that. There's pin 2. We'll try pin 1 now, see what it's doing. That's another pin 1. Oh, good click on pin 2. I got a little bit of a full set, so I just got one of them that's sitting there, waiting for a little bit of action. I could have overset one too. A little bit of, that's not even the pins clicking, that's the me sliding around on the warding. Just reset this and try this one more time. Yeah, I could probably reset something. Five and 4, I'm pretty sure just set. Pin 1. That might have been just pin 1 that I. And then pin 1, the one that was oversetting. Third time's a charm. A good click on pin 5. Good click on pin 2. There we go. Now we're open. So, don't be afraid to try it more than once, because you never know. It's easy to reset these because there's no security pins on there. But the tolerances are really, really good, which is wonderful, because picking it is fun. This one, I'm lucky enough that I don't want a key for. The other two, I don't. This one, I was out the other night in the shop. I'll show one of these. I'm not sure which one it is, because they're both identical. And I made this, which has fairly low bidding. It's not an original Eagle key, but this one's actually a lorry, which I've never heard of lorry. I just happen to have some. Is it this one? Nope. It must be this one then. Well, I swear, there we are. Needs a little bit of refinement, since this is just the first one, and I'm not the greatest impressionist. I do all right. I get by. So what I'll do now is I'll take this one, I'll go out on the key machine, I'll set the micrometer a little higher, recut it, find the pin that is binding, and do it again. But thank you very much. Thanks for watching my vids. Thank you to all my subscribers who come out to watch my channel. Everybody have a good weekend, and support your local locksmith.